Hey everyone, I hope you're having a good week. I hope your first week was off to a great start. I want to go over next week chapters. We have chapter 3 coming up, which is the ethical and social responsibilities of an entrepreneur. And then we have creative, innovative, and invention, which is chapter 4. So you have 2 chapters you have to work with this week. Everything is under your module for week 2. You'll be able to find that all the information there as far as how I want your formatting and everything else. Instructions are all on Canvas, so you'll be able to know what you need to get done and when it's due. You do have chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4 quizzes. Chapter 1, those quizzes are already available to you, so you can start now and finish your quizzes early, or they're not due till October 26th. So I hope you get started soon so you'll be able to know to finish them, because the work is adding up. Another thing is I have added extra credits for you. Feel free to use the extra credits. You never know when you might use it, when you might need it, especially because you're going to be working on a business plan writing and presentation. I've also uploaded that information for your class project, which is your final class project. So you're going to write a business plan. Either it's a plan of your idea or a plan for a family member's idea, business. Whichever route you go is fine with me. Instructions are also listed according to how I want your plans to look like. If you have any questions, please, guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am here for you. I am here to guide you. I'm using everything that we can as far as the way you should learn based on real life experiences, applying everything to either your life or your family member's life. Everything is about small businesses. I don't want any big corporation. All the things that we're learning is about how you can start your own business or help a family member start their own business or help a family member expand their business. Whichever way it goes, it's all about small businesses. Again, your syllabus are available online that you'll be able to print them out, have a copy like I do so you can follow along. What else? I think that's everything for this week. Again, look under the modules. That's week 2. All your instructions are there, how I want the formatting, your papers, your business plan. I highly recommend you get started on your business plan assignments right away. Do not procrastinate. It's a lot of work. So please get on it. If you need me, you know how to reach me. Please email me anytime at maria2.brown@chaffey.edu, or you could just create a Zoom. Send me an email and I'll create a Zoom link for a one-on-one meeting with you. I hope you have a great week ahead, and good luck. And by the way, I know some of you might be looking out for your grades. I always start grading on Monday. Usually the last grades are posted on Wednesdays. So please, when you submit your assignment and you don't see me grading them right away, it's because I want everyone to submit their assignments Sunday night, and then I start grading on Monday. So please be mindful. I'm also a student and a business owner. So I have a lot going on, but your grades are always posted between Mondays through Wednesdays. Have a great evening. Bye, you guys. Good luck. Bye.